how to edit and change about me on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile and click these 3 points, then click edit profile, and here you will find interests. Now just scroll down and click about me, type here anything you want, and that's it. Save it, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.